Hello, coaches. Today I want to share with you how to create a paid online event on Facebook. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so as you guys can see right now, I am on my Facebook page, and you want to create this event on your Facebook business page. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here to my business page, which is Elise Michelle. This is like the shortcut. And you're going to either have the word events here in the navigation bar of your Facebook page, or if you don't see it, it's going to be in the more. So click the more, click on events. So let's click events. All right. And so the next thing you want to do is hit create new events. And we're going to create a new event. And as you can see, it's going to give you options of an online event or in-person event. So we're going to do an online event. And then it's going to ask if it's general or a class. Well, let's go ahead and click a class. And then it's going to ask you, is it a single session or a course of session? Meaning, is it multiple sessions? Okay. So we're going to just do single session. And then we're going to click paid. Okay. But you do have the option to do a free event. But for this tutorial, I want to show you how to set up a paid one. So you're going to click paid. And then it's going to walk you through all the steps, like the name of your event. So I'm going to say name of event here. It's going to ask you to choose the date. And so you're going to choose the date. So I'm going to say like December 28th. And it's going to say the time, how long. So you put that there. It's going to ask you the location. So if your location is, we chose for it to be online. So when I see location, I tend to just either type online if it allows me to do that, online. And then it's going to, anyone on Facebook can see it. So it doesn't allow you to change that. Then what to expect. So I'm going to tell them what to expect. And that's a good thing to always do, is to share with people what to expect during your class, what we will be doing, and etc. So I'm going to keep going. And then you can choose what category. So say for me, I probably would do business and finance class. Some of you might be doing fashion and beauty, religious and spiritual, etc. So I'm going to choose business and finance. So let's hit next. And then this is where you enter the price. Now, when I first set this up, it asked me to make sure that I only play music that I have the rights to, or use a sound collection. Facebook has great music options as well. So before I set this up, this popped up. So you might see that this play music that you have the rights to pops up. Just make sure you hit confirm or accept. So I'm going ahead and put the price in here. Let's say $29.99. There we go. So we're going to charge $29.99. You can limit the capacity. So maybe I only have 40 seats. And so that's what I'm going to put. And then it's going to ask you to go next. And now you want to create a cover image. And you can create a cover image in Canva. So just go in Canva, search for Facebook events, and they're going to give you so many templates. And so you will upload that here. You can explain a little bit more what you're going to do in the class, and then what experience is required. So if this is for every experience level. And I guess they're asking that question if you were like a yoga instructor, and you might have beginner yoga, intermediate or yoga, etc. Every experience is related. All right. So interact in a video room. So you have the option to do this in a video room, which I think is awesome, up to 25 people. We're going to just present a live broadcast, meaning I'm going to probably stream this inside of the event, or inside on my Facebook business page. And so present live broadcast. It says other ways. You can also add your own link. So you can add a Zoom link here. And maybe you're not sure how you're going to do it. And so you can do share instructions later. Okay. And so I'm just going to click share instruction later. Look, Even when you add your own link, you can use YouTube, you can use Zoom. So for my StreamYard users, this is big. So you can share that link and create a stream to YouTube and change that YouTube video to unlisted, so that because it's a paid event, and only people with that link to that unlisted video will be able to watch your training. So that's good to know, right? Then you hit next. You do a little introduction of yourself. Um, Goes there, and then you hit published event. So we're going to hit publish event. Now I'm going to go back and delete this, but you get the point. And so things are going to process, and it says Facebook notifies me that I have an event ready. Tips for hosting your paid online event. They go through that. So Facebook gives you a lot of information to make sure that you're successful with this. Okay. And then if you want to, you can boost this event so that it can reach more people. So if you are familiar with Facebook ads, you get that opportunity to do that. So that was the name. And so to check out your event, here it is. This was the name of event. So this was the event. You can invite people. So you can click here and you can invite all your friends. Like, this is phenomenal. So it's going to allow you to invite all your friends, close friends. It's going to allow, like, if you've created like categories in your friend list, it's going to let you do that. Previous events that you've hosted in the past, you can select that, and then it'll show all of these people who you've invited from previous event. All you have to do is hit select all, and look, it will invite 435 people, y'all, and hit send events, and that will be it. Like down here in the bottom, that's it. Like, this is such a awesome thing that Facebook allows you to do, and then you can use this for both free and paid events. All right. I hope you guys use it in the best way possible. All right. You guys have an awesome day. Talk to you later.